So this is a little ritual we have, and no one knows about it. But at this specific location where we come for adventures, somebody, and we're talking about like, we are in the middle of nowhere. We're in the middle of the woods. I've never seen another person here. Nothing ever happens back here, but somebody buried their dog here in 2003. I think that's right. Yeah. And this was rebuilt in the summer of 2019. But anyway, this is like where someone's beloved dog is buried, and it says like this was his favorite place. And so I think it's amazing that we found this one day, and every time we pass it, we just stop and say hi to Roscoe, the dog's name, and we just think you were a loved dog and someone wanted to honor you. And I think it's a really cool thing that we all get to stop and pay our respects.